The De La Guerra Street Bridge Replacement Project is located on De La Guerra Street over Mission Creek between Bath and Castillo Street. The year-long project consists of removing and replacing a 105-year-old bridge and planting new native landscaping in the surrounding area.
The De La Guerra Street Bridge was built in 1914. Through Caltrans inspections, it was deemed structurally deficient, which made it eligible for replacement through the city of Santa Barbara.
Every 2 years, Caltrans inspects bridges and assigns ratings. Based on their reporting, they indicate whether it's deemed structurally deficient and eligible for funding.
Through the bridge replacement project, we also take this opportunity to ensure we meet all city standards by replacing our sidewalks to meet standard widths. We upgrade our lighting. We also implement stormwater BMPs that treat any runoff that comes towards the site. The project will also accommodate increased flows through the bridge, and on every bridge project we have an environmental consultant which ensures that all of our means and methods for construction do not harm the environment. We have endangered species surveys that are done pre-construction. They also ensure that our creek diversion goes in appropriately and doesn't harm the environment. Through construction, we have BMPs in place in order to avoid contamination into the creek, any runoff, as well as ensure that the contractor meets all our environmental constraints per our specifications. Given the site constraints, we work closely with our neighbors to ensure that they have access during construction. We also let them know the anticipated duration, our construction work hours, and coordinate any special needs they have. We do noticing during design, right before construction, and once we have a contractor on board, we give out flyers to let them know who the key contacts are and who they can ask any questions that they may have.
Before demolition of the bridge began, a hummingbird nested itself underneath the bridge. It was recommended by the environmental consultant to not disturb the hummingbird, and demolition was suspended until the hatchlings fledged the nest.
The De La Guerra Street Bridge project is funded through FHWA. They fund 88.53%, with the city covering the remaining 11.47% of the project cost. What makes Santa Barbara bridge replacement projects unique is the site constraints. We coordinate with the neighbors adjacent to the bridge during design and construction, given that we're working right in their backyards.
Currently, the De La Vina Street Bridge over Mission Creek is in the preliminary engineering design phase, going through environmental studies with construction scheduled for 2021. Additionally, the Carpinteria Street Bridge over Sycamore Creek is in preliminary design and enters the design phase in 2021.